Dennis Spikeberg. I was diagnosed with Lyme's disease. Yeah, I came here for testing in January. By the end of February, I had found out I had Lyme's. I was sick for about 2 years. Christmas time, I had just about had kidney failure. I had a lot of fatigue, and I had no trouble sleeping 12, 14, 16 hours a day some days. It was a struggle, and everybody told me, you don't look good, you don't look good. Yeah. So my wife, who was a former patient here, says, we are going to Envita to get you checked out. And she went through the treatment 6 years ago. She was being treated for arthritis. She was so crippled up that she almost died. My brother-in-law found Envita on the internet. And of course, it's, the internet, you wonder. And my son's mother-in-law, she said, I was just watching a show on TV, and it was a doctor show, and she says, I just heard on this show, if you're going to be treated for Lyme's disease, the best place in the country is Envita Medical Center in Scottsdale, Arizona. And so we decided to come out here, and she did her blood work, and it came back that, she had it pretty bad. She's chronic Lyme's. We took the chance because they weren't doing anything for her at home. It was always a different medicine, a different pill. They got her off of a lot of the pills they had her on for the arthritis, and things started to turn around. So we knew, we were aware when I came here, we were aware, what they do and how good it is. Kinsey was my floor healthcare coordinator, and Missy was my healthcare coordinator, and they were both awesome. Originally we called and I talked to Samantha, or actually we text Samantha, and Samantha referred Missy, and Missy says, let's get you out here for testing and see. And she was so helpful. I mean, she filled in the gaps for us. We kind of knew what to do, but she filled in the gaps. And she supported us all the way. And then once we got here, we met Kinsey. And between the two of them, yeah, it's been great. And I met with Dr. Warren, who's my doctor. Very comfortable with him. And I know he's very knowledgeable in Lyme's disease. And what he does, he's good at it. He sat down, we went through all of my testing and told me what was the most important. And that's what they went after. Where I am from, the diagnosis of Lyme's disease, Lyme's is very prevalent, but they kind of ignore it. They just keep giving you, antibiotics. They don't build your immune system, nothing. And that's what impressed me here, is they take care of your health besides the disease.
Was there any treatment in particular that kind of stood out to you as, this is really making me feel good?
IRAD. After 3 sessions of IRAD, the brain fog started to go away. Of course, you have all your antibiotics and stuff to build up your immune system, but the other one was apheresis. I had 3 of them treatments, and between that and the IRAD, I mean, everything worked good for me, but them 2 really did it. My regular nurse was Lauren, and she took very good care of me. I have a lot of respect for her, and they should be very proud of her. And but they were every nurse, they came with a smile, and I'm amazed. They know, they call you by first name from day one. It's been a journey. When I came to here, it was checked in to the hotel, 55 days. I said, boy, that's a long time. Here I am, I'm done, and the time went very fast. And I was fortunate that I did well with all of the treatments. If I ever have a problem again, I'll be back. You will feel better when you leave. And I can attest to that on myself and my wife.